Hey guys, it's PMHK here obviously, and today for a change we're taking a look at the Android smartphone. This is the Galaxy S9 Plus, and this is going to be my first unboxing of a Galaxy smartphone. So this is Samsung's flagship that was released the first quarter of 2018. I know it's 2019, but this guy still has specs that compete with smartphones that were released after that, and the screen of this guy is actually still much better than many other smartphones I've actually seen. So let's go and unbox this baby. So we have a couple of specs down here. This is a 6.2-inch smartphone with a Quad HD plus SAM OLED display. You have the Super Dual Pixel. I don't know why they like coming with this naming, Super Speed Dual Pixel 12 megapixel or IS, which is optical image stabilized with an aperture of 1.5 and it interchanges to 2.5. Now this is the feature that would make this guy stand out, is that it has interchangeable f-stop, so you can go from 1.5 to 2.4. This simply means that whenever an environment is a bit dark, it will actually automatically change to a lower f-stop, which should actually brighten your picture or video more. And you have the super slow-mo feature on this guy. You have an 8 megapixel selfie front camera, you have the stereo speaker and the headphones that are both tuned by AKG, and it's water resistant. You have an iris scanner, 64 memory on this guy and 6 gig of RAM, and it also has wireless charging. So let's do this unboxing and quick review. So this guy, unlike most of the other phones, needs to be cut open, which I already did, and let's see what's inside the box. So you have the startup menu guide with a case inside. I wasn't expecting to find a case inside, but I guess that's a plus. It's a clear view case, just like the one I actually have on the iPhone XR, and here's the phone itself. Oh, this is... I always like Samsung screens because they have this little curve here, which actually allows you for a better swipe left and right. But let's put a phone on the side and see what else they have on the box. But you should expect the usual. You have an adapter here. This is the USB-A to USB-C adapter. For your phone, you have the American standard power brick, because then again, this phone wasn't bought in South Africa. And you have your headphone jack. Yeah, you have your headphone with the 3.5 headphone jack. You have your USB charging case, so this will be USB to USB-C charging cable, and you have your extra buds for your headphones, obviously. Now let's put this guy aside and take a look at that phone with a beautiful screen, and we're going to peel the plastic off this guy. So here's the 12 megapixel camera with the fingerprint scanner there at the back, and you have your flashlight there. You have some information on the phone here on the sticker, and in front you have the 8 megapixel camera there. You have the iris scanner also there, and you have a couple of sensors. You have your earpiece. This is where you hear other people speak when you're making a call, obviously. And you have the 6.2 AMOLED display in front, which should be really bright. One reason I love Samsung smartphones is because most of them, at least the latest flagships that have come out, I'm talking about the Galaxy S9, S9 Plus, the Note 9, the screen is really something amazing, something that you will not find on Apple devices. And that's actually one thing sometimes that makes me wanna switch to Samsung devices. So the back plastic is out, so let's fit in the case and boot this guy. So the phone has no battery. I'm gonna go charge it and I'm gonna be back. You're not even gonna notice that I'm gone. It's gonna be... So we have the phone all set up now, and I've actually realized something as I was setting up the phone and setting up the fingerprint scanner. I realized that this is one thing that I really miss that the iPhone doesn't have anymore, and it's the fingerprint scanner. It's just much easier for you instead of just always having to lift the phone up to your face to unlock, it's much easier for you just to take it out of your pocket and press the fingerprint scanner, and it unlocks quickly. And the fingerprint scanner on this phone is really quite fast. As you can see, it's off. Put my finger and that's it. Let me show you guys, it's off, off, and as soon as I put my finger on it, it goes on. I'm going to switch to the Android side of things for a couple of weeks, maybe 1 or 2 weeks, just to have a feel of this phone, because it's been a while since I last used an Android phone. The last Android phone I used was the Nexus 6. Nexus 6, yes, that's the Nexus 6. That's how long it's been. I don't even remember the name of the phone. Then Nexus 6 was the last phone I've used. Just for you to have an idea, they don't even make Nexuses anymore. They've migrated to what they're calling now Pixel, Google Pixel. So yeah, this is the phone. Let's test out the camera quick. As you can see, I still have applications downloading because I'm restoring the backup that I had done on the Nexus sometime end of last year. Hopefully it's all going to be set up for me to use this guy. Let's test the camera real quick. All right, let's take a picture. Swipe right and left to switch mode. Okay, I understand. Turn on location tag, turn on location tag. And Bixby Vision just went on and got itself activated. So let's take a picture maybe of these two guys here. As you can see, there's different colors here, so it's going to look much better. So one picture there, just for you guys to have a look on how the picture here will look like. I actually like how the plants show it. The green is really green. Now let's test out the selfie camera in front. If I can go back to the camera. Okay, we're here, selfie camera. I see super slow mode. So you have, these are the different modes you'd have on this one. You have the food mode, you have panorama mode, you have the pro mode, you have live focus, you have auto, and you have super slow mode. The live focus would be what we call on the iPhone portrait mode. And you have AR emoji, which I'm not even gonna go there. And we have the hyperlapse. Okay, whatever. Front selfie camera. Okay, and I look red. So let me take a picture there for you guys to see how this looks like. And that's it. So this is gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this long video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you like the video, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Peace.